Hello, this video will show you how to register a UNCA Now event in Presence. Presence is the platform UNCA uses to organize events, and is sometimes referred to as UNCA Now itself. But for the sake of clarity, the name UNCA Now will only be used for the mobile app during this video. To visit Presence, go to bit.ly/UNCAorgs. This is Presence. Here you will find helpful tools to both normal students wanting to get involved and student org leaders managing their org's activities. If you're a student org leader, you can also access the admin dashboard by clicking on the head icon on the top right corner and log in with your UNCA credentials. Once you've logged in, click to access the admin dashboard. Here you can find additional tools, such as statistics on attendance to events, but many essential resources can be found in both the admin dashboard and the normal Presence webpage. To register an event, you will need to fill out the event registration form. To get to this form, click on the Forms tab and then click Event Registration. If you're in the admin dashboard, you can also find the event registration form by clicking Forms on the sidebar and then clicking the Campus Forms tab. Due to the global pandemic, capacity limits have been set. Currently, there's a maximum of 25 people indoors and 50 outdoors, even with social distancing in mind. Now, we will explain some noteworthy sections in the event registration form. The About the Event section is what students will see as the description for your event on the UNCA Now app and on the Presence website. Here is where you'll let Highsmith know how the event will be conducted. Here is where you can reserve a space if the event is hybrid or in person. If you do need to reserve a space, we highly recommend you fill this form out at least 5 days in advance. And please note that any room reservation is not guaranteed until you receive an official confirmation via email. Additionally, keep in mind that some spaces like the French Broad Room will book up faster than others. Here, you can list any tech needs for your event, but certain tech is also not guaranteed. Here is the Food and Catering section. Chartwell's is our campus's provider. They have the first right of refusal, which basically means they're automatically your first option for catering. And you would actually need to upload a PDF of the catering exemption form if you want your event to be catered by any other provider. However, Chartwell's is very easy to work with and also provides a student org menu with special pricing for your convenience. You can email them at catering@unca.edu for more info. Here is where you will upload a cover image for your event. Make sure it will be clear and recognizable on the UNCA Now app. This next section, titled Options, is very important, as it will affect your event's visibility on the UNCA Now app. Generally, you'll want to leave the box next to Members Only Check-in blank, and check the box next to Allow Non-Student Check-in. Finally, in the Now Points section, you will provide an appropriate Now Points value based on the handy chart that's available. This value will be given to every attendee of your event. You will also provide an appropriate skill here that will be added to attendees' co-curricular transcripts. To learn more about skills, go to the Opportunities tab and select Skills on the Presence homepage.